I want to talk about this compact washing machine that WATTSMART sent me to do a video on. This thing is pretty cool. My favorite feature, the size. This is small, it's portable. You can put this, I'm going to say pretty much anywhere. It's going to be great. You can put it in a bathroom, great in apartments, closets. It's going to be good for RVs and dorms. What I think it'd be absolutely perfect for is something like if you have a camp on the lake or a camp on the ocean. Sometimes they're a little bit smaller. Room is at a premium. This is going to be fantastic. You can tuck it in a corner. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal. And size-wise, it's 1.5 cubic feet of washing space. So it doesn't sound like a lot, but we're going to open it up a little bit and take a look. You can see right here, top loader. You can see right through into the drum. Additionally, it comes with the hoses you need, water connection, drain hose, and the instructions as well to break it right down for you. And it has 8 wash cycles and 10 water levels, so it's going to be really versatile for that. It also has a bleach reservoir, and additionally has a lint trap and a detergent box. So this is going to be very valuable, like I'm saying, if you're in a area with a compact apartment, compact dorm. I think it'd be great for RVs or camps. I think this is going to be really valuable. You can see right there, plenty of room inside the steel drum. And beyond that, this is extremely energy efficient. If you'd like to pick up one for yourself, click on the link in the description below.